Welcome to one of the most enchanting properties in all of Vermont. 49 acres of pure, iconic New England beauty, where rolling meadows, whispering pines, historic barnwood, and a spring-fed pond come together to create a setting so timeless and serene, it feels like stepping straight into Bing Crosby's White Christmas. This is more than land. It's a full-blown Vermont experience. At the heart of the property sits an antique 988 square foot cabin and a massive 1,856 square foot barn, both brimming with original New England character. They stand ready to be restored, reimagined into a homesite compound, or lovingly dismantled for a treasure trove of authentic Vermont barnwood, a rare material worth its weight in gold for builders and designers. In the backyard, a 1-acre spring-fed pond mirrors the surrounding mountains and sky, offering a magical place to fish, skate in winter, or simply breathe in the peaceful stillness. And on the west side of the pond lies one of the property's greatest surprises, your own little mountain, complete with a cleared hiking trail leading to the summit. From the top, you'll look out over your private kingdom like you're standing inside your own national park. With no zoning and no deed restrictions, this land gives you complete freedom to build, restore, or create whatever dream you've been carrying, be it a family estate, vacation retreat, cabin compound, or a homestead with space for gardens and animals. Power and a water well are already on site, and access is simple thanks to a clear driveway area, open front yard, and extensive public road frontage on both Cheney, Four Corner Road, and Bowen Road. Despite the feeling of total seclusion, adventure and convenience are close at hand. The beloved Northeast Slopes ski area, sparkling lakes, and miles of hiking trails are just 10 to 15 minutes away, and full services and shopping, including Walmart, are just 23 minutes east in Woodsville. Even Montpelier is less than an hour away. This is a price to sell, once-in-a-generation Vermont property, a place so idyllic, so rich in texture and scenery that it simply doesn't have a comparable. Whether you want to build a legacy estate, harvest rare barnwood, or simply escape into the landscapes New England is famous for, this land offers the perfect canvas. Timeless, iconic, unrestricted. Your Vermont dream awaits.